Have you ever wondered why we allow societal standards to dictate our perceptions of beauty? Why do we let numbers on a scale or the size of our clothes define our worth? It's time to question, challenge, and change these narratives. Enter the body positivity movement, a revolutionary movement that is redefining beauty standards and promoting acceptance of all body types. This isn't just about size or shape, it's about celebrating diversity in all its forms. The movement began as a pushback against the societal prejudice known as fat phobia. This harmful mindset has led to discrimination, exclusion, and even barriers to essential services for many individuals. Body positivity isn't about promoting unhealthy lifestyles, as some critics argue. Instead, it urges us to make health-focused decisions from a place of self-love, not self-loathing. It's about rejecting the toxic diet culture that prioritizes shrinking bodies over genuine well-being. Across the world, activists and influencers are harnessing the power of social media to spread this empowering message. They are challenging mainstream narratives, sharing images of diverse bodies, and telling stories of resilience and self-love. This movement isn't just about bodies, it's about dismantling harmful biases against different appearances. It's about embracing our scars, our skin colors, our disabilities, and all the things that make us uniquely beautiful. So it's time to reject the narrow and unrealistic ideals of beauty that society imposes on us. It's time to embrace the simple truth that everybody is a good body, worthy of respect and love. Remember, true beauty isn't about fitting into a mold, it's about breaking it. It's about embracing our authentic selves, flaws and all. So, take a moment today to celebrate your body, just as it is. Practice self-love not because the world tells you to, but because you deserve it. The body positivity movement isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. And it's a revolution that starts with you.